Hello, we're going to talk again about math talk, greater than, less than, and equal to. I'm going to show you these slides one more time to help you out. So greater than is the larger amount. So this pile is greater than this pile of grapes. And then this pile of oranges is less than this pile of oranges. There, 2 is less than 3. And then the apples, are equal. So 3 apples and then 3 apples, that is equal. 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so we're going to be working on this assignment. It's called Comparison Pond. All right, I think you're going to find this maybe a little bit easier because you have a number line in the background to help you. So it says 14 and 14. Is that greater than? Is this one? Is that less than? Or is that equal to? So all you will do is you will move that ducky in between the 2 lily pads, okay? And this is self-correcting, okay? So it's going to tell you if you're right or wrong. Same thing, 9, is that greater than, less than, or equal to 17? Greater than, less than, or equal to 17. That number line is there to help you, so find where the number is. If the number is before 17, we know that it's less than 17. If the number is after 17, we know that it is greater than 17. 51 and 35, is that greater than, less than, or equal to? 49 and 49, is that greater than, less than, or equal to? 19 and 10, is that greater than, less than, or equal to? And then 8 and 14, is that greater than, less than, or equal to? Reminder to use your number line, that will help you, okay? And the duck, whenever you move it to the lily pad, it's going to show you an X if it is wrong, and then it's going to show you a check mark if it is right. I think you guys will do awesome with this.